Shout out to Princess Penelope for today's 4 scoops. Everyone else, feel free to grab yours too. First up, our bonus mystery prize, a lovely necklace. Let's get started with today's unboxing. 2 watches. Three exquisite notebooks. 3 Labubu blind boxes. 2 themed Rubik's cubes. 2 manicure sets. 4 sticky notes or pocket notebooks. 3 bracelets. 2 Pokemon blind boxes. 4 gel pens or highlighters. 3 wet wets. 2 pieces of cute stationery. 4 rows of decorative tape. 4 nail clippers. 3 pretty or fun pens. 2 bathroom items. 2 mini stuffed animals. 2 keychains. 2 squishies. 3 combs or mirror combs. 2 all-weather umbrellas. A name purse or backpack. That's it for this unboxing. Got some fun stuff and mystery freebies. If you liked it, make sure to follow. Catch you in the next one.